Good morning and welcome to this meditation on bringing peace, tranquility and stillness into our lives. And this is particularly important for those of us who are going through grief, are suffering anger, emotions of stress, negativity or frustration. This meditation will help you to bring peace and stillness, but also to recognise that the people we're angry with are not always the problem. They can be our greatest teachers, because without them, we wouldn't be able to learn to cultivate tolerance, patience and compassion. So now, let's start this morning's meditation. So just relax, take a comfortable position, preferably sitting upright with the spine straight, but if you can't do that, just support the back. Close the eyes and just relax. Just take some nice steady breaths through the nostrils and out through the nostrils. Open the mouth slightly, but we're mostly using the nose to breathe. And relax. And now as you breathe in through the nostrils, focus on that breath moving down through the throat and to an area just in the centre of the breastbone. This is where the heart chakra is located. So as you breathe in through the nostril, focus on that breath, washing over that heart chakra and bringing it to sparkle like a jewel, like the most beautiful precious stone in the world. And then as you breathe out, take all that debris and all the negativity that's been stored up back out into the universe to disintegrate and fall. And just keep that breathing steady and peaceful as it enters the nostrils, splashes down over the heart chakra, cleans it and see it sparkle, and then watch the breath carry out all the impurities. And for the next few minutes, focus on that breath, moving back and forth, like a rhythmic dance, moving in sequence, breathing in through the nostrils, down over the heart chakra, cleaning and back out. And focus on that breath becoming a dance of beauty, peace and rhythm. And now as you take your next breath in through the nostrils, focus on somebody that you love more than anything else in the whole world. Breathe in that love, think of that person and bring them right to the heart chakra. Hold their face in your mind's eye as you feel that love expand around the chest area. It can be a person, an animal, anything that you devote yourself to, who you give all that love to and who you feel that compassion for. Just breathe them in, feel the love that you feel for them and expand that chest area. Feel that love permeate through the whole of that area and around the heart chakra. And now breathe out through the nostrils that love back into the universe. And now as you take your next breath in through the nostrils, focus on someone that's around you who you like a lot or you love a lot, not as much as the first person, but who you hold dear in your heart, someone that's special to you. And as you breathe in, bring their face into that heart chakra. And there's enough love in that heart chakra and that area to wrap them up like a warm, comfy duvet of love, compassion and peacefulness, just as you did the first person. So bring them both together, the first person and now the person who's close to you. Bring them together, wrap them together in that love. There's more than enough to spare in that area of the heart chakra. Hold their faces dear and wrap them in love. And as the breath flows in through the nostrils and out, just focus on love and compassion moving in and out, again like a rhythmic dance. And now, as you breathe in, focus on those people that you may pass in the street but you may not even know. Maybe you can't picture their faces, but imagine yourself scooping them all up together, bringing them into that heart chakra. Breathe in that love through the nostrils and down through the throat, into that chest area where your other two targets of love are situated, and bring all of those people into that area. Scoop them up with arms of love and bring them in through the nostrils, down into that area to wrap them together with the love, compassion, peacefulness and beauty that resides there. And feel that love as it expands in the chest area. And now just focus on the breath flowing peacefully, beautifully and full of love and compassion as it moves into the heart chakra and back out into the universe, spreading along those places you're familiar with, right across the countryside, right across the world as far as you can throw it. Let that breath flow peacefully and beautifully. And now as you breathe in the face of somebody you may not feel so comfortable with, somebody you may have argued with, somebody you may feel angry with or frustrated, someone who makes you feel uneasy, but without thinking, just gather them up in your arms, bring them in through the nose with the breath and down into the heart chakra, wrapping them up in that love, that compassion and that peace without thinking. Bring their face in, down through the throat and into the heart chakra where that love expands that chest area. And hold them there with the people you already have there. Hold them there and let them feel that love and compassion, that peacefulness. Remember, to show love and compassion doesn't mean we have to like someone. It doesn't mean we have to feel comfortable with them. But to love and show compassion frees us of those feelings of stress and anger. And now just focus on the breath. Breathing in through the nostrils, down through that chest area to the heart chakra. See that chakra glisten and gleam like a beautiful precious jewel. The only thing surrounding it, love and compassion, peace and tranquility. And breathe out peace and love into the world. Remember, as you do this meditation, our enemy is our greatest teacher. Without them, we couldn't practice love and compassion. And for now, sit with the stillness and the peace that your body has brought in, and focus on the peace and beauty that you have projected into the world for others to enjoy and to live. That world where you are now going to go and start your journey for the rest of your life. Namaste.